If you want to limit the quantity of the same product that your customers can add to the cart, you can do it with WooCommerce Max Quantity. This plugin adds a field where you can enter a number that will be the maximum number of products added to the cart for each product. The problem arises when you want to edit hundreds of products, as you would have to open each product and edit that field one by one, and this would take a lot of time. That's why, in this video, we'll use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin to set the maximum quantity per order in bulk. We'll leave the link for you to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. You can set the maximum quantity of the same product that your customers can buy for each order individually directly in the spreadsheet. Just go to the column added by the WooCommerce Max Quantity plugin, that is this one, and enter the maximum number of products as if you were working in Excel or Google Sheets. Finally, save to apply the changes. If you need to edit hundreds or even thousands of products, you can do it at once using the bulk editing tool. But before editing the maximum quantity per order, let's filter the products by keyword, or by any other advanced search parameter using the search tool. Once the search tool is open, let's enter here the keyword shirt, but remember that you can use any field to filter your products. Finally, click on Run Search. Now let's go ahead and edit the products in bulk. First, open the bulk edit tool and select to edit the rows from the current search. Now select the field to edit, which will be this one. Choose to set the value and enter the amount you'll set here. In this case, we'll enter 2. Finally, just execute, and the maximum number of the same product that can be purchased in the same order will be updated. As you can see, using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin will save you many hours of tedious work, as it has the powerful bulk editing and search tools that make all the work easier for you. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.